If there was an easy way to capture creative photos that made people gasp and say, wow, how'd you take that? Would you be interested?
So, isn't that worth trying?
Let's shoot. This is where you can start to get creative.
You will change the way you look at your city.
I'm going to share with you everything I've learned.
It can be only joy and fun.
So, I'm soaking. The photographs we've taken here are just fantastic. I've been so pleased with this situation.
Art is about freedom of expression, creativity, and being true to yourself.
There was no step-by-step guide on how to be a creative, whimsical storytelling photographer. But thankfully, that's exactly what this course is.
You must be always prepared to create something new, something unusual.
It's going to require a good amount of experimentation. It's a great technique to learn and really impressive.
I want to invite you to view the world through a different lens.
You can't help but let your imagination run wild.
Tempting, it is tempting.
I believe that behind every simple thing, like a cookie or a coffee cup, you can find something magical and something special that can lead you to an adventure.
We have one mission.
Teach people how to take photos
that make everyone say,
Wow.
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 Working with kids is challenging because they don't pose like grown-up models, but they act spontaneously.
I consider the information in this video to be one of the most fundamental concepts that you have to understand to master landscape photography.
Not overthink.
I always say that it doesn't take a professional photographer to take a professional photograph.
Ignore the negative feedback and just focus on having fun and creating beautiful art.
I will show you how to use your imagination.
Our biggest challenge was the creative aspect of product photography.
Photographing landscapes with incredible skies can be an awful lot of fun.
Now, famous last words, I'm going to get a little bit closer. Creative photography,
Photo manipulation,
Product photography,
Flatly shots,
macro photography,
color, geometry,
Fairy tale photography.
Lightroom.
Photoshop.
time-lapse photography is special. It's very impressive still, but we are expert photography, so I thought I'd go the extra mile and I'll show you how to do this